Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to GIG webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Demystifying Agile Methods series. This is session 1 to learn the fundamentals. And our guest speaker today is Vinay Krishna. He is a software development manager with Secondum Software India Private Limited. Vinay Krishna is having 14 years of experience in software development and currently working as a software developer manager. He is flourished in a fast-paced environment requiring excellent problem-solving skills, multiple project completion under short deadlines, and the ability to communicate with clients and end users. He helps teams to adopt Agile, Scrum, Lean in his organization. He is doing research in the field of software architecture. So far, his 12 papers have been published in various international journals and conference proceedings. His 2 papers are translated in Chinese language and Scrum Network at China. He is also managing Agile Bangalore User Group. He is a management committee member of Computer Society of India, Bangalore chapter since 2012 and elected as Secretary of CSI BC for 2014 to 2016. He has been part of organizing team of several international conferences. He is volunteer speaker at CSI and gives Tech Talk guest lectures in Agile, XP, Scrum, Lean, OOAD, and software architecture at prestigious engineering colleges, universities, and different organizations. So, without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Vinay.
Thanks for the nice introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, as already we got that session topic, that is demystifying Agile method. This is the first session, and we will focus on just to learn the fundamentals. Okay, I know we know about the Agile, we heard about the Agile, but let's focus on the fundamentals of Agile methods. Okay, so I believe all of you have already seen at some point of your IT experience this picture. What I want to do here is, if you can correlate with your day-to-day activities with this diagram and the picture, which is what the different phases it tried to depict here, and if you will see very closely, we will find that from one phase to another phase there is something which is very common, and that is common in all the phases. And for your information, I am not talking about tree, I am not talking about string, I am not talking about glass, I am not talking about cloud. I am talking about the gap between the from one phase to another phase. So if you look at, some gap is always there from one phase to another phase. Maybe it's a drastic, maybe a little bit, but the gaps are always there, which tells that always when we are going to provide some information from one side to another side, there would be something which could be missed out. Now, another interesting thing which we can look at this diagram and get it is, if you look at the first particular phase and to the last one, which is we are able to see. So we can see that there is a diagram, and when what we have that the first diagram says that what the customer has explained us as a requirement. Then the last one is what the customer actually required. So in both the case, there is a gap between these two. Even the customer doesn't know what he wants, right? So that is what typically we see in the IT industry, and we try to build that application. And if you look at the various other pages, like how we understood, how the analyst has designed, how the programmer has written, all those things are having a different perspective.